won $2 on a scratch-off ticket. So I went back to the counter and I bought 2 more with it, and I won $10 and that was just right. So I bought a 6-pack and a bag of ice. Getting that ring? Check 1, 2. Well, even if our ship came in and this is all we got, it ain't like we really need $1 million yacht. Cool. Check 1, 2. I'm still getting a buzz up here. Check 1, 2. Check, check, check. Cool. Check 1, 2. Sounds good, John. Check 1, 2. I'm happy with it if you are. Alan, do you want to hear bass or wait till later? Wow. Cool. If I stand way back here, does that help? There's a lot of people here. Check. Okay.